10.
There's my 11th lap.
Yeah, oh, yeah, this is my 11th lap. I don't see.
Yeah. Finish up my 12th lap. After I come back, I'll park inside the center, and then I'll game over. Come back around, park into the winner's circle. And the winner's circle. Alright, let's crank it up again. Last subscribe, comment, hit the notification bell, thumbs up, thumbs down, press both of them. We're gonna bring them up closer to you guys so you guys see the cars. That's the orange and green Rolalo Ak-787. And then the white, well, red and black is the Ak-917 by Rolalo, both of them 3S, capable we running on 2S. And we're gonna go another lap. We're gonna get 12 laps in, and both of us are gonna start at the starting line. So I'm gonna back mine up. We're putting ourselves in the start position. The entrance, let's sit right at the entrance there, as you see me lined up right there, guys. And we're gonna go through. We're gonna get who can get 12 laps first. So like, subscribe, comment, notification bell. Thanks for tuning in, viewers and subscribers. And remember, it's free to subscribe to the channel. We appreciate you. And we're gonna have some RC night racing. And let's go. We got 4 laps in, 4 good laps in. That's on you acting.
You cut me. Where's you cut me on the turning? You cut me off.
I'm on my 5th lap.
I'm on my 7th.
Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Hit the brakes. Get in there. Get in there. Get in there.
Like 4?
That's 3. Stop skipping laps.
No one. I was on my 3rd. That was just my 3rd.
Okay. Okay. All right. I win!
No?
I got it! I got 6, baby!
I got 6!
Yeah! I came in! I won!
No?
I won, baby! I won! 6 right here! 6! He lost!
No,
Good job!
No! Subscribe if you think... Subscribe if you think he won! Like if you think I won! I won! I'm the king!